In this video, we're going to clean up our player attack animation as well as our sword arc. So currently if we swing, you'll see here that we have our sword arc and it's not bad. But the problem here is that our sword animation is a little too slow. One thing that we could do is just speed up the frames, but another thing that we can actually do is we can just modify which frames are being used and we can speed up this animation by eliminating the get ready stance, for instance, and maybe bringing the sword all the way back. Instead, let's just have it slice all the way forward so that we can get the timing right with our animation. So to get started fixing this up, what we need to do here is stop playing. Let's select our player sprite, go to the animation view, and go to your attack animation. This attack animation currently has about 25 sprites. We're going to redo this a bit. So what I want you guys to do is let's go ahead and just clear this. We're going to clear it out. You're going to go down into your sprites folder where the attack sprites are. So go into character, player, and go to your attack sprite, which is your reg_swing. And instead of using all 35 animations here, we're actually just going to use probably a handful of them. So one of the things that I've already done is talked with the designer about what he would recommend. And what we're going to grab here is sprite 6 and hold down the control key while you're selecting. We're going to grab 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. Take these sprites and drag them into the animation view. From here, make sure your sample rate is 25. Save your scene. Let's go back into Unity and test out this animation. You can see here that now we have a much quicker attack and it's now timed perfectly with our arc/animation. And it looks really good. The next thing I want to do here, guys, is let's modify the position of this arc. So here, if we look in the scene view and you select in the hierarchy, your sword arc here, let's modify the position of this. The position for this to be appropriate with our sword animation is going to be set to 1.01 on the X position, negative 0.09 on the Y position, and negative 0.25 on the Z position. From here, we're going to adjust the rotation to make sure that it's 66, 48, and negative 80. The scale can be 111. Save your scene, hop back into Unity, and you'll see now that we have a very cool looking arch when we swing our sword. I'll see you guys in the next video.